What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress Themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to optimize the SEO, how to do the search engine optimizations for the category archives pages on your WordPress websites, okay? For free. So imagine the following scenario. You write a blog and you categorize the posts into a couple of categories. In my case, I'm using right here the default WordPress category, the uncategorized, and this category is a taxonomy that index all of the posts categorized to this page. So how to edit this page? This page isn't editable, okay? So what you can do? This is what you're gonna learn to this video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. I have no idea how much that helps us. So let's get this started. First thing, understand the why, okay? Google loves to rank category pages. So if you optimize it, more chances you get to get viewed, to get more clicks, to get more traffic to your site. So you need to optimize the categories page. There is no option, okay? You need to do this. How to do this? Into the first step, all we have to do is go to WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, and hover mouse over posts and click into the submenu categories, okay? Right here, you can see the list of all of the categories that your WordPress website have. You can create new categories, but let's focus into the uncategorized one. Right here, you can change the name. You can change the slug, that is the permalink of the category. I don't recommend you to change the slug of the category. This can create SEO issues, okay? So pay attention for this. So one of the very first things that you need to do when you start a new WordPress website is, of course, categorize your site. Take a moment to think about the content you will write, okay? So please don't change these options, okay? But back into the video, what you can do, we can type content right here, okay? So we can add content just like this right here, okay? And this do as soon as I hit the update button and go to the category page. Let me show you. As soon as you apply text to the category page, you have text to display into the category page, okay? So basically this is the work to be done, okay? Of course, the way to display this content changes according to the theme that you are using, according to the site status that you have, okay? So nothing much to worry about it, okay? But of course, you need to apply description to your categories. This is very, very, very important, okay? Normally, the content you would write right here appears right here. According to the theme that you are using, the way that it appears may change, but the content is present right here. Okay, so how to do a content right here that follows the SEO good practices for category pages? I recommend that you install a plugin on your site. It can be any SEO plugin, any good SEO plugin. Go to WordPress left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over plugins, click on add new plugin. Into the upper right corner of your screen, I'm gonna be installing the Yoast. Just like this, I'm gonna click on install now. And I'm gonna click into the activate button. The plugin gonna try to do the setup wizard for you, okay? In the case that it's your first time using Yoast SEO, try to fulfill all of the options with all of the information that your site have, and after completing all the data, you're gonna be able to back to WordPress dashboard, review left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over page, click into the category submenus. Now, when you click into the category, you can see these little dots right here with red, orange, or green colors. This is the SEO of the category. Can you see right here? We have a focus keyword. Imagine that the focus keyword of this category page, it's uncategorized. It's just an example. If you have a post category about web design, the focus keyword can be web design. If you have a category about cars, or for example electric cars, and posts about electric cars, categorize it on it, your focus keyword can be electric cars, okay? So focus into this. So here is the main keyword, and right here you're gonna be able to type your text following the good metrics. You're gonna be able to add the meta description, the SEO title. You're gonna be able to review the options you have to customize. For example, in my case, I need to apply the keyword in introduction, apply the meta description, and write more content. I have only 6 words in my text. I need to have at least 30. Okay, so this is the options we have to customize the category for SEO. As a result, what we need to do, we need to complete this content following in order to fix all of the headlines right here, okay? Until then. For example, just like this. Here is just an example, okay? Please don't copy that, but review. The meta description is now in a green line, okay? All I have to do now is write more content to the place. Let's do it. Let me apply the keyword. This is just an example, please don't copy that. But as you can see, all fixed. Now, update the category and review the results you got. As you can see, no much changes into the front end, but for Google it changes a lot, so it means a lot. Before, all of the posts categorized into this category, into this taxonomy, you're gonna be able to see the description you have typed. Of course, you can do better into the description in the case that you want. You can apply links, you can apply headings in the case that you want, up to you, but this is the most important parts. And it is. Try yours, let me know into the comment section if in the case that you need help, and please type valuable content, okay? Google loves it. If you guys enjoyed this video, feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. I'm gonna be happy in talking to you. And please, don't forget to check out our borderless WordPress plugin, the best free WordPress plugin that when you install, you gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Elementor, Gutenberg, WP Bakery, and many more extra features, all for free, downloaded on WordPress.org. In addition, we for Enzo WordPress theme, a theme that gives you pre-built websites that you can import with a single click, also downloaded on WordPress.org. It's the best free WordPress theme. Moreover, in the case that you want to submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts, or to find a blog to collaborate with, go to growth3ws.net and find a collaborator or Outreach right here, okay? In addition, in the case that you want to promote your site, your app, your landing page, your game design, go to sites.gallery. You can submit your blog for free, you can submit your site for free, your app, your game, okay? You can be promoted right here on our CSS gallery. And finally, in the case that you want to go premium when doing your site, go to visualmodo.com and purchase the Visual Modo Pass and go premium. So you're gonna have access to all our WordPress themes, plugins, icons, templates, assets, and of course, hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition, for pre-built templates, icons, widgets, blocks, and many more tools to create the site of our dreams. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best.